Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create a report in Bookipi. Now, we are here on the Google Play Store. You can do this on your Apple App Store and just type in Bookipi. And this is going to be what we're going to see and just install it on your mobile device. Now, the reason why we're shifting to mobile, and you've seen our Bookipi's tutorials, they're mostly on desktop, right? Because you really can't create a report and download it to a PDF file if you're using the desktop or laptop option. So now that we clarified that, we want to open our Bookipi, and if this is the first time, you just need to sign in with your same email. And once you are here, look towards your upper right corner, right? Upper right corner of the screen. There is like 3 lines pointing upwards, kind of like a graph, right? So tap that like so. You're going to be brought to the screen. Now, again, on the upper right corner, there are 2 options. There's a printer and there is a share button, right? So you can do either or, but the easiest way if you want just to save a file is tap on the printer like so. Or and before that, just choose okay, we're going to go back. Before that, just choose the dates. Can be last year, can be, you can just toggle the dates here however you want it to. Once you've done that, tap on the printer like so. It's going to create an invoice, right? It's going to create a report of our invoices. As you can see here, this is our report. Now, it says here, select a printer. So there's a drop-down option. So tap that. There's 2 options, all printers or save PDF. Tap save PDF, right, to save this report to you. So this is actually a hack that a lot of people don't know. So that is pretty much how you create a report and save it to your, to your mobile phone or your tablet, right? And just send it to your drive or send it via email using your phone. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I'll see you on the next video.